So here's the end of day 2. What we're going to do now is to go through today's exercise. Today's exercise is very simple. We're again creating the solution in a file called day2.py, following the convention of yesterday's exercise where we called it day1.py. So what's today's exercise? Today's exercise is very simple. All we're going to do is to print out the first 20 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence on screen. This is what my day2.py prints out. You can see that it prints out 20 numbers, and this is the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence, if you're not familiar with it, is very simple. We're simply seeding this sequence with two numbers, 0 and 1. To produce the consecutive number or the next number, we simply add the current number and the number that came before it, and then that will be the next number. When we produce the next number, we then again repeat the same sequence by adding the last two produced numbers in the sequence. So as you can see, we start with 0 and 1, and we add them together to get another 1. We add 1 plus 1 together to get 2, and then 3, 5, 8, 13, so on and so forth. Again, tomorrow's video sets, we're going to review what I've done and what you have done so that we can compare notes. And I want to stress that there's no one way to create programs. As long as it runs, creates the right results, and does it in reasonable time, I think everybody should be happy.
We've reached the end of our section. In this section, we talked about 4 things. We talked about understanding Python variables. We then talked about and showed you how we can use variables in code. We then talked about understanding Python operators and the usage of Python operators. In tomorrow's course, we're going to talk about programming control flow and loops in Python. I'll see you guys next time.